So I rolled 40% of what I owned. So if I owned 100 shares on the day before it closed, they bought 60 of them, and then I rolled 40. So I rolled 40%. So basically, Catterton bought 60% of the company. And your sellers will know this because this sort of comes back when they say, oh, we want you to roll 10%. We want you to roll 15%. We want you to roll 25%. Same thing here. I rolled 40% like a dummy.
I want to get to why you think that was a dummy, but I just want to do the math. And again, if I'm getting into territory you're uncomfortable with, just say, I can't talk about that. But if I'm doing the math right, they valued the company at 29 million pre-money and 44 post, right? You owned half of it. So they thought your holding was worth around 15 million bucks, give or take.
Correct. Should I have sold the whole thing for $29 million? Yes. Then I would have put 15 million into the bank based on that math. Yes.
Got it. But they said, hey, we're not going to give you a check for 15 million because we want you to stick around of the vision, blah, blah, blah. So here's a check for 60% of 15, and we want you to roll 40%. Is that basically the math I should think about? Okay. Yep. So you're in, you got some cash in your jeans, but they've asked you to stick around and make the 40%.
I took cash off.
Yeah.
I took cash out.
Yeah.
Yes. But to me, it wasn't about the cash out. It was about the roll.
Because you thought that was going to be
shot.
Okay. So
but that's the thing. That's the thing. And this is the thing. I gave up control, and I should have just sold the whole thing.
Was that on the table? Did Al Catterton like offer 100%?
No, it wasn't really common in our industry that founder-led concepts that were that nascent, were fully cashing out. Although there was one or two, Snooze AM Eatery being one of them. Although, and my therapist reminds me that, like you said, like it wasn't really. I can't think to myself about taking 15 million out, like, and being done, like, because that really wasn't an option. But to specifically answer your question, it probably wouldn't have been possible because I was so inextricably linked to the company. And I see this now when I'm buying businesses. I was looking at a restoration company. This dude wanted he wanted to cash out. I'm like, but bro, you are the business. Like, and that's probably true a lot of your listeners. They are the business. So from a security of the buyer's perspective, they need to have that guy roll or gal roll a little bit. But in any event, so I gave up control, sold 60%. But yes, I wish that I had just sold more of a percentage because then I would have had more cash out at close.